In 2025, one meme coin investment could change your life, while another could drain your bank account completely. The question is no longer if you should invest, but where the smart money is actually going. Welcome to Generational Wealth, your pathway from knowledge to legacy. You've got one camp pointing to the life-changing gains of Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, while the other screams, "It's all hype." But what if I told you they're both missing the point? The real question isn't if meme coins are a good investment. It's which type of meme coin is built to last. We're in a world where some tokens can surge 2,000% in a day while others completely vanish. In this video, we're going to break down the old guard, Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, and compare them to the new wave of challengers like Pudgy Penguins. By the end, you'll know exactly where the real opportunity lies in 2025 and which coins are nothing more than a trap. Let's start with the titans, Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. These are the legends that turned pocket change into fortunes and became household names. First up, Dogecoin. Currently trading around 25 cents, the dream of it hitting $1 is still very much alive for its community. And with chatter about potential ETF approvals, Doge has a distribution advantage that's hard to ignore. But let's do some quick math. For Dogecoin to 10x from its current market cap of roughly $39 billion, it would need to add over $300 billion in value. That's an astronomical amount of new money, making its days of truly explosive growth feel like a distant memory. It's become more of a trade based on sentiment than a high-growth asset. Then there's Shiba Inu. To its credit, Shiba Inu has tried to be more than just a meme. It has Shibarium, its own Layer 2 network meant to make it faster and cheaper to use. But while the ecosystem is growing, more utility doesn't automatically guarantee a price explosion. Activity on Shibarium has also been volatile, with daily transactions recently seeing a significant drop after a hack, which has shaken some user confidence. And even with a massive token burn rate, SHIB is still weighed down by a circulating supply of over 589 trillion tokens. For SHIB to pull a 20x, its market cap would need to rival some of the largest companies in the world. For these original meme coins, the story has changed. They are now the blue chips of the meme world, established, but requiring huge amounts of capital for big moves. The hype is there, but the hyper-growth investment phase is likely over. So if the giants are slowing down, where's the opportunity? It's in the new class of challengers who understand that in 2025, a meme isn't enough. You need a brand and an ecosystem. Take Pudgy Penguins and its token, Pengu. This project didn't start as a coin, but as a beloved NFT collection that broke into the mainstream. They launched physical toys in major retailers like Walmart, created viral social media content with billions of views, and built a powerful global brand before the token even existed. This is the new playbook. Unlike Dogecoin, which is primarily just a currency, Pudgy Penguins is an intellectual property. The Pengu token isn't just for speculation. It's used for community rewards and to power their virtual world, Pudgy World. They're building a whole universe around their brand, from games to their own Layer 2 network. This is where the investment thesis gets interesting. Instead of just betting on a funny dog picture, you're investing in a brand with multiple revenue streams and a deeply loyal following. With a market cap far smaller than Doge or Shiba Inu, the amount of capital needed for a 10x or 20x return is dramatically lower. It's still speculative, don't get me wrong, but the risk-to-reward ratio looks much more attractive because you're backing a business, not just a meme. It's the evolution from pure hype to a culture-driven asset with real-world integration. So, are meme coins a worthy investment in 2025, or are they just hype? The answer is, it's both. The original meme coins like Dogecoin are now mostly driven by hype cycles and brand recognition, not massive growth potential. But the idea of a meme coin has evolved into a new type of investment, if you know what to look for. It's also worth noting that regulators like the SEC have clarified that most meme coins are treated like collectibles, meaning they fall outside of securities laws, putting the risk entirely on the investor. The game has changed from chasing hype to identifying strong brands. Here's a simple 3-step framework to analyze this new wave. 1. Is it a meme or an IP? Look past the logo. Is there a real brand with a story that exists outside of crypto Twitter? Physical products, media content, or real-world partnerships are massive green flags. 2. How strong is the community? A powerful community isn't just about social media noise anymore. It's about brand loyalty that creates real value, like merchandise sales or event attendance. 3. Do the math on market cap. Compare the coin's market cap to the giants. A lower market cap doesn't guarantee success, but it gives a mathematically clearer path to those 10x or 100x returns. It's the difference between needing billions versus hundreds of millions in new investment. The meme coin market has definitely matured. The days of throwing money at any dog coin and praying for a 1000x are behind us. In 2025, the winners will be the projects that build powerful, culture-first brands and let their community share in the success. Hype is still a powerful force, but now it's being harnessed by smarter, brand-focused projects. To get ahead of the curve, join our insiders group on our website at GenerationalWealth.biz. The trap is thinking the old rules still apply. The golden ticket is finding the projects that are writing the new ones. Quick disclaimer. I'm not a licensed financial advisor. This is for educational purposes only. Crypto is volatile. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Do your own research. Thank you for watching. We appreciate your support. See you on the next one.